Hello, in this quick video, we will unbox the graphics card that will be used to upgrade my old laptop with an external GPU setup, GeForce GTX 1650 Gaming OC4G, Rev. 2.0. Quick GPU Specification. Core clock, 1860 MHz. Memory clock, 8002 MHz. Memory size, 4 GB. Memory type, GDDR5. Memory bandwidth, GB per second, 128 GB per second. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.